Hi guys, here we've got iPhone, and let me show you how to change the way music sounds on this device. So first of all, let's open the settings, then enter music, and here you will notice equalization right here. Then you just have to select the type of sound that you would like to apply, so it can be pop, piano, Latin, jazz, flat, hip-hop, deep, dance, whatever you wish. Just by tapping you can change it. And if you wish to apply the loudest possible music, the loudest possible sound, just choose late night. Then whenever you would like to switch off this a different way that music sounds, just tap on off, and then you're back in normal. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.